Yeah. Ah. See what it's like. Obviously there's the old lift shaft. You can see. Press to ascend. Ooh, compressor in there. Let's get a bit of a torch on go so you can see. Look at that. Mental. What I'm going to do is just quickly do a video. Might have to use the old torch. But yeah, she's coming down. Quick mooch. I filmed here, what, about a year ago possibly, with Charlie. Just want to see the state of it now. Careful as we go. Obviously there's the main road. Wow. And there's like that central garden that was mint. As you can see, it is coming down. Such a shame. Offices, some sort. Let's take a walk through. But yeah, I'm here early morning on my tab, as Charlie isn't well. Right up there in the corner is the train station there. Have a quick mooch around. I don't think I can go any higher, to be fair. But I will have a look. Look at this. Got the destruction on it. Wow. Trying to get a bit of a zoom in there for you. This is mental. There's the out digger. If you want to just pause that and read it, it's up to you. But yeah, I need to. Oh, there is more steps. Ah. Look at that, crazy. Let's have a mooch up here. The old dump setting. It's a bit of a madden, but what I'll do in a bit when I start recording. Whoa! Look at that. I like proper sketch now. See when this paper's from. Saturday, September 20th, 19. Don't know if you can see it. I can get them there. 1987. Wow. I think I need just be taking a few pictures, so I'll just stop recording a minute. Look at that. Some scrap value there, isn't there? I won't bother going in that one, it's a bit minging. No ladder in here, over. Ladder up there. Ladder here. Oh. And again, just toilets in here. Nothing interesting really. Oh, rubble down pan there. Look at that. Oh. Look at that down there. Mince pie down there, innit? Please turn off the light. Thank you. I love it. But I don't think there's any way down there now. But there might be. But we'll have a look. You smell the damp in here now. Either the construction workers have took them off, or someone's been in and nabbed them. So that's the middle garden there, I said I liked. Let's, don't think we can go anywhere else really. We'll have a look. It was mint, that middle garden. Got the destruction here. Wow. That would have been the entrance off the main road. Lights there. I don't think there's anywhere else we can go now. Just a couple more pictures.